Hi, welcome back to my channel. Now I have got something really special to show you today. Now I've been in contact with Festool, we've been in talks, and they've actually given me a brand new Festool hammer for me to try out and test before it actually goes on the market. So I'd like to show you this hammer in person on this video. You tell me what you think of it. I will just grab it out just to show you. Would you look at this? This is the brand new TID hammer by Festool. It comes in 3 different weight ranges as well. This is the 16 ounce. You just pop this off the hammer. You place that down. Watch this now. It then turns into an 18 ounce hammer. You pop that in there. You got yourself an 18 ounce hammer. And to top it all off, watch this now. It actually becomes a 22 ounce hammer. Can you believe that? This is the way you use it. You hold this, you bang it like that, you can knock it in. This is a mallet. It's also an impact driver with an impact driving tip on there. It is absolutely awesome. I will tell you now, this is a pain to get off here, so we will leave it on there for the video. You've got the big base, the smaller base, and the even smaller base. It comes in 3 different heights, look. The lower height, the medium height, and the higher height. The only issue with this hammer is it doesn't fit in your hammer holster on your trousers. That is a con. I have been testing this hammer out all week. I am really impressed with it. It's got a good weight to it. You can obviously have it in the 3 different weight categories. You can carry the 3 different weights of the hammer all in your van. It also comes in a sustainer. So you've got the 3 hammers all in the beautiful sustainer. I am really impressed with this hammer. It's been brilliant to use all week in work. This is the only hammer on the market with a built-in light. Can you believe that? Obviously, once you go and use this hammer, I hope you can see, you got to set it to this function. This means hammer function. So when you got it in this function, you can use it as a hammer, you can use it as a mallet. If you want the extra power on the hammer, you hold it like this, you press this, and then you give it a good whack. It is an absolutely awesome hammer. I'm really impressed, and I want to thank Festool for giving me the opportunity to show you this brand new tool on my channel. Give us a like and subscribe. That'd be absolutely awesome. I'll see you on the next video.